How to Avoid Common Mistakes in Glendale Divorces. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're filing for divorce in Glendale, avoiding common mistakes can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. We've helped thousands of couples across Los Angeles County, and we've seen the same errors cause delays over and over again. Here's how to keep your Glendale divorce on track from day one. First, Glendale divorces are processed through the Los Angeles County Superior Court, which uses e-filing. That's a huge convenience, but it also means the court is strict about formatting and required documents. One of the most common mistakes we see is missing forms, especially when it comes to financial disclosures. These are required in every divorce case, whether or not you're in agreement. Another major issue is submitting a judgment packet that's incomplete or inconsistent with the petition. Even small errors, like not matching dates or checking the wrong boxes, can result in a rejection and weeks of delay.
Okay, Sarah,
We recently helped a Glendale couple who thought they were done. They'd submitted their paperwork but hadn't included signed disclosures or a proper settlement agreement. The court rejected their judgment twice. Once they hired us, we cleaned everything up, resubmitted the correct documents, and had their divorce approved in just a few days. At Divorce 661, we specialize in catching and correcting the mistakes that cause most divorces to stall out. We handle everything from petition to final judgment, ensuring it's done right the first time. If you want to avoid the most common divorce mistakes in Glendale, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll guide you through the process, prevent delays, and help you get your divorce finalized quickly and stress-free.